I primarily practice personal injury work, including automobile accidents, slip and falls, dog bites, any general negligence cases, and I practice in Georgia and Florida. I was never the kid that, knew they wanted to be an attorney from young age. I didn't have parents that were attorneys. As I went through high school, I started becoming involved in certain groups and debating and debates, debate club. And I felt that, my passion towards being able to argue and prove points that were of interest to me, and then found that being able to use that to help people prompted me to go to law school. The biggest thing I like working about Farah Farah versus other places that I've worked is the teamwork here. This is a very team environment. As a new attorney to this firm, everybody was willing to help. It's never a dog-eat-dog world here. Everybody's always willing to lend you their advice. They have an open-door policy. We all work as a team, and everybody helps out in each other's cases. I think my ability to connect with people on a personal level. I usually try to find some type of common ground to chat with them about their interests, their hobbies, their background, their history. I like to get to know them as a person, so they feel like, that I'm not just viewing them as a case. First and foremost to tell clients is, please call me, email me. Let me know if you have problems. If the problems you're having, you don't tell me about them, I can't help you. So I want you to feel like you have an open door to reach me, to contact me, so I can help you out any way possible. The biggest struggle I see that clients face is the unknown. What they mostly focus on is what will happen to my medical bills down the road? What will happen to my injuries? Who's going to pay for this? What will happen to me down the road? And that's where I come in to assure them, what we're there to take care of and what we're there to help them with. Best piece of advice I could give clients is to be patient throughout the process. It can be a lengthy process, it can be a frustrating process, but that's what we're there to do, is to help you, guide you through the process, walk you through the steps, and make it as easy and as painless as possible. My work style is work until the job is done, not until I'm tired. We work tirelessly here at Farah Farah, including all the employees and the staff. I most days work 11 to 12-hour days, come in on the weekends, so I don't stop until my client has received justice. I really enjoy spending my time with my wife and my young daughter. We just moved to the area, so we're still getting used to exploring the area and looking for things to do around the Jacksonville area. I'm also a licensed diver, so I do enjoy diving. I haven't got a chance to explore what the Jacksonville coastline has to offer, but I've heard it's got good things. In South Florida, where I moved from, my wife and I, we're involved in autism awareness. She works in that field. I'd like to get involved in the various Jacksonville community groups they have up here, and love to get to start working in the community. The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, but the optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty, which was spoken by Winston Churchill. And I think that the firm values this in the sense that we're not the firm that sees a difficult case and easily gives up or decides to not take it. We look at each case and see it as an opportunity to help somebody. Clients can go to any firm, but I recommend they choose Farah Farah due to the vast knowledge of attorneys that work here, the staff that works here. Farah Farah has been doing this since 1979, and they are an integral part of this community. They represent the people, and they provide a complete experience to the client.